guys, it's Perry here and I'm back with another unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the PEWETE Gel Nail Polish Set brought to you by Run Deals. And if you didn't know this already, Run Deals has a really amazing app that if you download it, you can get access to a bunch of really awesome exclusive offers for products a lot like the one that we're going to open up right now. So let's check it out. Already cut into the box. And this is what it looks like when you first take it out. Beautiful box. Looks like really amazing quality. It says PEWETE Nail Polish Set. Pine will extend the expectation of beauty. And it comes with 21 colors. Pine scent, nature resin, strengthen the nail, and it's long lasting. So 21 gel colors, one base, one top, and one matte top. So top coat, I'm assuming. Okay, so you pull them out. And it comes, looks like 8 to a little set, and there's 3 of these little sets inside. The first one is the base gel, and then you have 7 colors. So really, really awesome, you guys. Second one is the no wipe top gel, and then 7 color gels. So really, really cool there. And then the last one is the 7 color gels, and then the matte top gel. So guys, really, really great, awesome quality. Like, it doesn't have a strong, heavy scent through the packaging, which a lot of nail polishes usually do. And it just looks really, really wonderful quality. So really excited to use them. Can't wait to try them out. You guys should go get yours from Run Deals.